how to make notes in your college life. One of the most toughest ever question which many students used to ask me, because they used to tell Pavan, you're the student of the year award, you get good marks for academics, you did an amazing job for co-curriculars, you handled national project, you did international project, you got international award. Like, how do you manage everything along with the YouTube channel now? And I'll tell you how I made my notes literally saved me in my college life. I'm going to give you this golden words. Please do take care of these 4 points. Point number one, when I joined my law school, whenever teacher used to say anything in the class, because I know 60 minutes, I sat in the class with all my friends. Sometimes it used to be very boring, sometimes it used to be interesting. Ground reality, heart check, heart feelings. So when I sit for that 60 minutes, no matter what the professor say, I used to sit and write line by line. But then I realized instead of writing line by line, let me just write the important stuff in the book, because I know for the fact I'm going to open my book only 2 to 3 days before the exam or 1 week before the exam, because in college we don't study like months before, we study like 1 week before. Let me give you harsh reality. Most of the seniors, if you ask in law school, we all study 1 week before. So I used to, whatever I used to hear in the class, I used to write down the important pointers. So like 1 week before the exam or something, I just look into this notes. In case if I don't have time to watch this slides to anything, I used to go to just to the notes which teachers has given. Now it is also very easy. Chat GPT is there, Claude is there, or you have amazing Meta is there. All this platform is there. Utilize it. Trust me, I've used AI for an extent, and that really helped me a lot for my academics. Point number two is about make notes in such a way that it is good for your revision. For example, if you're learning a contract law subject, if the chapter is for 10 pages or 15 pages, you must learn the art of concising it for 3 to 4 pages. 3 to 4 pages in the micro theme notes, you need to cover up everything. So when you cover up everything in the micro theme notes, that can be really helpful for you. So make sure that the entire chapter you're consolidating in the micro themes and covering it up maximum in your paper. Point number three is about in your whenever you write your making notes, use the important keywords, use highlighter, make the important jot keywords, write the important case laws, and in 2 lines tell what was held in that particular case. For example, in whatever context, if you're using a case of Keshananda Bharati case, Minerva Mills case, Menaka Gandhi case, or whatever kind of case you're using it, in two lines just write a small gist. Because whenever you revise it, or for example, when I used to travel, for my competitions or publications of my research paper, all this, I used to just refer to this two lines, and trust me, it has really worked out for me. Now, along with that, section numbers are very important, and section numbers, you can't learn everything one day before the exam, how much of a genius you are. But only for section numbers, I would suggest you learn 1 week before exam. And whatever section numbers are important, remember, every barrack has section number by default, but there's an exemption. You do not study everything for your exam. Only the important kind of section numbers, if you're able to write, that would be great. And if you're interested about me making a video about how to write answers for your exam, please do let me know in the comments. I will surely do it. Good. Point number 4 is about make sure that you are enjoying while learning, because be grateful for your exams. I think I'll be backtrolled very badly for this. I genuinely like college exams, because when exams happen, only then we learn. Because apart from that, most of the time I just hang out here and there, go do my stuff. But when exams come, genuinely I'll be learning, and that's why I'm able to recollect certain things after my graduation also. Okay, this exam, I remember learning about this, that, because in exams that used to go very deep. So don't criticize or feel so much agitated about exam. Enjoy the process of exams is what I would like to say to you. And note making is very simple. Revise it regularly. Take the important pointers, write the important case laws, write the important section numbers. Whenever in a micro theme notes, don't elaborate a lot. If possible, I think it's girlish to, not girlish, I'm not telling it's girlish to say only flashcards are used by them. If possible, try to use the flashcards. Try to use mnemonics technique, certain concepts when you learn, try to break it down with mnemonic techniques. That is something very good. And make sure that you are revising. Even though I used to study 1 week before the exam, at least midway, whenever I used to get free, I used to just glance my pages. So always, whenever class happens, make notes, because in law school, that can help you a lot. I hope today's video was helpful for you. You learned something great rather than nothing. And I hope today's episode 6 was of great learning. Wishing you all the best. Good luck. Follow me for more updates. This is me, Pavan, signing off. Thank you so much for all of your support. And I hope, in case if I want to continue this college diary series, please do let me know in the comments, and let me know what kind of topics you want me to cover. And I'm also going to start with a channel, where you can join my community and all. I'll be providing in description box. If not now, at later date. Just check now. If it's there, you can join now. If not, at the later date in the next upcoming episode. Here signing off with the episode 6. Yeah. Take care. Goodbye. This is Pavan signing off. Thank you.